Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Virginia Boys Kitchen website. So you should purchase any product on this website and what are the main problems of this website. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you know very well they are selling different kinds of kitchen accessories. So the thing is like this website is approx like 10 years from now, and this is a very old brand. Okay, and they have provided their information, each and everything they have provided on their website. And if we talk about, like, they have also provided return and refund policy. They have like 10 days return and refund policy also. And they have provided like their each and every information of return and refund, so you can go with this website without any doubt. Okay, so the basic thing is like it's a legit or it's a scam. This is a legit platform, you can purchase product without any doubt. Okay, so if you have any experience, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will help for lots of people, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.